Hey everyone, this is Reshma here. We are on the sets of 10 Minutes with Poonam Jhawar. We are here to discuss everything related to skin, beauty, health. So keep watching, gorgeous ladies. Your beauty questions, secrets would be all revealed by one and only the gorgeous Poonam Jhawar.
Wow, thank you.
So Poonam ji, we would really want to know your beauty mantra, I would say.
Where is that beauty mantra? I don't have
Now,
that
of
mantra.
course, we have ample amount of questions related to all this as well.
Well, beauty is just nothing. You look at the person and you like, whether good or bad, black or white. But it's like personality, which gives you compliment, a pleasant personality. And I think I have a very pleasant personality. So I maintain my whatever God has given me into that beauty secret kind of.
So your belief is in the inner beauty.
I believe in beauty, and I believe in like positive thinking. I believe in smiling all the time. I don't worry too much. Though we all have problems, but you can't carry that problems on your face. You know, keep it aside. Keep it aside somewhere in the corner, and when you want, you take it out. Okay, this is what my mantra. So,
Okay. Well, how would you always be so fit, and what's you, if you could reveal that to us as well?
see, it's like a daily routine kind of. One day, suddenly you say, I want to be a fit person and I want to slim and trim and nice looking. Cannot happen. You have to work hard every day, workout or yoga or some kind of physical exercises. And then, as I told you, think positive and be happy. That glow that comes on your face. And I do the same. I do yoga, I do workout, I do gymming, I do whatever time I get. I see that today I am in a good mood or in a very heavy mood. If I'm in a very light mood, I'll do the gymming. If I say no, I'm totally upset, so I'll do yoga. So yoga gives you power, thinking power, and to look positive and eat right.
Right. So when you say eat right, we have questions on diet here.
Okay.
So people, or maybe our celebrities itself, or maybe people around, they undergo knives, they get surgeries done. What would be your thought on that? Is that the right way, or hitting the gym or going to a yoga?
See, one thing is very important to clear it out here, because my fans knows, and when they Google on me and they search and they see that Poonam Jhawar gone under this surgery, that surgery, guys, everything is wrong. I have never gone through any surgery, not even single surgery in my life. Believe me. So second thing, I'm a vegetarian. So
Okay.
I eat a vegetarian food, fruits, vegetables. I eat roti, I eat ghee, I eat dal, I eat dokla, I eat dal bhati churma. So you can eat whatever you want, but the lesser quantity, and workout is very important.
So when we say again workout or diets, you think crash diets would help someone?
Never.
Because now when you say losing weight, it's all in trend. So what would you advise?
No, crash diet is never advisable. You should be eating less. I'm telling you, suppose you're hungry, you want 3 chapati, so you have 1.5 chapati, and just get up. Okay, this is my food, because you don't need too much to eat, like stuffing your tummy and say, okay, baba, खा लिया बहुत. So थोड़ा सा खाइए, वर्कआउट कीजिए, और जिम को ज़्यादा टाइम पे कर लीजिए, लाइक 1 घंटे करते हो, 1.5 घंटा, 2 घंटा, एंड फूड की क्वांटिटी कम कर दीजिए, but not diet.
Overeating is what you're saying.
Overeat is
Of
never
course,
good, but
of
not
course.
even normal eating से थोड़ा सा कम आ जाइए.
Okay.
That's all.
So you keep traveling all around the world.
Yes.
With shootings, your night shoots.
I love
and
traveling.
Stuff like
I
that.
love traveling.
How do you keep your skin so fresh and hydrated all the time?
Yeah. Oh my God, that's a question. Actually, basic, sometimes it's genetically. My mother has got very good skin.
Oh,
And we try that.
it's a blessing.
Blessing, actually. But definitely we do work for this. We eat right food. As I told you, food is important for everything and each and everything, like juices
Right.
and a proper cleaning pattern. You
Okay.
know, because we do so
Skin
much
regime,
makeup,
yes,
हाँ,
yes.
so much makeup every time. So when you just come back home, properly उसको remove करो, and then some
Right,
moisturizer, then some vitamin cream or oil, whatever you want to put, and then keep it that way, and keep drinking a lot of water.
Are you obsessed with fragrances?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Any particular brand that you like really?
No, there are many, but few I like Amaus or Versace or Red Door, this kind of. But I keep trying different fragrance, and which is like suitable to me, and I feel like I'm in heaven, so I repeat.
So what do you do during your weekends? So do you still hit the gym? Because it's a Saturday, I should rest and not go to the gym.
No, I'm not going to gym today Saturday. It's a party time.
So Saturday, Sunday, it's
No, it's not that. Everything is on my mood and my time.
okay.
Whatever time I get. So
Okay.
mainly in the morning I go to
Okay.
my gym, or I work out at home, and I feel very good when I'm at home in the morning. Rather than going to gym, I do my normal yoga and some Pilates. I have done my
Okay.
own like research
Okay.
on yoga, Pilates, and
that suits you and your body.
all mix.
Of course, of course.
I do it at home. I have a small gym at home, so
Oh, that's nice.
so I normally do at home, and my trainer comes, so he knows my mood. So the mood is deciding pattern of my workout.
So when we say personal trainer, if one would not want to have a trainer and do them on their own, so is you still advise that you should have a personal trainer?
No, not necessarily. Once you learn, once you know that what suits your body,
Okay.
what will make you look good, what suits you, like whatever part you want to reduce or decrease, or so then after learning you don't require a trainer. Why spending money?
Right.
Yeah.
So any particular beauty secret that you've got from your mother and you're still following and you would want to share it with the ladies out there?
See, I'll tell you one thing is very important. Surgeries, okay, when you do, see, जो भी चीज़ बना है वो उसको यूज़ करने के लिए बना है. If you don't have right kind of body, right nose, right lips, or right figure, so nothing harm, you can go and do it. And if it suits to you, suits to your body, everybody is different. But I personally, me, I don't suggest, because it's very difficult, and to maintain that very difficult, and to get it done is very expensive.
Right.
So better you maintain your daily routine continuously, every day you do the same and you'll get the same kind of result. Food, your workout, your mental state. It's not that कि मैं आज मूड में नहीं हूँ, मुझे एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी, मैं गुस्सा हूँ, मुझे नहीं करना. ऐसा नहीं, गुस्से में तो और जाओ, जिम मारो, go और 3-4
hit the gym.
yeah, just do it, yeah. So the mental frame is very important, which I have it. I don't care about what I am going through, what is going to happen, उसके बाद क्या, उसके पीछे क्या, अभी क्या है, that is what I have to say. So that is my secret, that think for today, at the moment, what you want to do.
So how do you manage your workout, your beauty, your lifestyle, and then
Simple.
with shootings and again?
The on shooting times थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता है, because morning schedule है 9 बजे
Okay.
अगर set पे पहुंचना है, तो then
Okay.
you leave from house like 7 o'clock, so get up at 5:30.
With a busy schedule, you
So
still
then workout is little difficult, but then so diet maintains the workout part. And if I get a time in the afternoon or sometimes I little walk there, but of course at the time of shooting we don't do workout. I wish मैं बड़ी स्टार होती और वेनिटी लेके जाती और उसमें सारे जिम के सामान होते इतने सारे और जिम करती अभी वो है नहीं. I'm sorry.
प्रिया प्रकाश